In this video we will demonstrate how LOXX works, explain in 3 steps how the LOXX fastener is attached to fabrics and other surfaces, and provide tips for the handling. The LOXX safety fastener is the simplest and safest solution for connecting different materials and surfaces. Unintentional opening is reliably prevented. Applications range from the marine industry to the automotive industry, guitar and bass straps, and many other areas. Various tools are available for cutting holes into your material. In this case, the small punching tool and a 9mm hex nut driver are used. The small punching tool always creates a 10mm hole. The large punching tool is the best option for thicker materials, such as leather. It can also be used with a hammer. For frequent users, the punch pliers allow for particularly quick punching. All tools used in this video are available on our website. To attach the LOXX fastener to the fabric, first unscrew the washer from the thread. The thread of the upper part is inserted through the hole and the washer is screwed back on. Then the washer is tightened using the LOXX key. The small LOXX key can also be used for tightening the washer. The lower part is attached to the fabric using the same principle. When closing the LOXX, make sure not to hold the grip cap and to position the upper part vertically onto the ball head. Do not hold the grip cap or press down from above when closing, as this may damage the mechanism. To open the LOXX, lift the grip cap to release the ball head. Do not pull or twist the grip cap. There are various lower parts for the different upper parts. All LOXX upper parts and all LOXX lower parts are compatible. More information and product catalogs can be found on our website, loxxproducts.com. Feel free to also check out our distributors.